Okay, everyone, let's go ahead and let's first quickly examine how to go ahead and install the Cisco Packet Tracer. For this, you need to go ahead and first log in into NetAcad. NetAcad is one of the tools that you will use. You will go ahead and you will log in using Cisco Packet Tracer. This is a course that you can go ahead and you can learn in NetAcad. And there you can go ahead and you can see other courses are also available. You will use the Cisco Packet Tracer tool, and there in the Cisco Packet Tracer tool, you will go ahead and you will download. There are other courses which you can also use. Here you will go and download the 60, so I'm downloading the 64-bit desktop version for Cisco Packet Tracer. And it will go ahead and it will download it for you. Once the download has happened, you are going to open the file. Okay. I'm going to say yes, accept the agreement, and install the software. Let us now finish. And you will first get a prompt which will check, would you like to run the multi-user application? So I'm going to say no. And now you will get a window like this. So here you again need to go ahead and you need to log in. You can choose to log in for 3 months. I'm going to click here. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my credentials. And once you have gone ahead and done that, the Cisco Packet Tracer will open for you. So you need to go ahead and you need to follow these steps to go ahead and have each of these set up appropriately. Right? That is all.